kind of late now. But I opened my fridge, and I really need to clean my fridge out. So this is Josh Ryan's Life, and cleaning out a fridge is part of life. Isn't it? Unless you don't have a fridge, then it's not a part of your life. But it is a part of my life because I have a fridge. So, come on, you guys can help me clean out the fridge. Come on, let's go clean out the fridge. Please don't think differently of me. Let's see what goodies we got in here. Honestly, I haven't cleaned this fridge out in ever, I don't think. No, I cleaned it out like probably 8 months ago. Let's see what little goodies we got in here. Okay, milk, that's good. Okay, marinara sauce. The expiration date on this was April 27th of this year. But to be completely honest with you, I don't remember ordering any pizza. A bag of rotten tomatoes. Now, I know how long these have been in here. These have been in here since... I know this is a fact because I know what was going on in my life. I know what was going on in my life at that time. And those went in my fridge on day 3 of my vlog. Whole house cookies. I know these have been in here since February. No, those have been in there since at least October of last year. The sour cream, the expiration date on it is November 3rd of 2009. You guys want to see what's in here? Oh! I have never seen sour cream that looked like that. Holy shiza. Oh my heck. This milk. I am not opening that. This has been in here. The expiration date on this milk is January 17th of this year. Black olives. Holy crap. Okay. This is interesting. This is very interesting. Okay, right? That's a black olive, right? That's what they're supposed to look like. Well, that one was down in the water. And the ones that are above the water, they look like blueberries. You see that? Okay, that's the way it's supposed to look, the big one, and that's the way they look. Chocolate frosting. Now this frosting, it smells good, but it's not. It's crusty. I know for a fact that this frosting has been in this fridge since let's see, February of 08. Okay, we have a bowl here, which appears to have, I honestly don't even know what this is. I'm not even joking. I don't even know what this is. Oh my goodness. I'm throwing the bowl away. I'm not washing that out. That was scrambled eggs. I didn't put them in there. I think my mom put those in there. And my mom hasn't been to visit me since Goodness, I don't know. January. Wow. Some Lent truffles. Let's see here. Best before the 30th of October, 2008. I'm disgusting.